Hey, what's up, guys? Real talk, have you ever walked into a room and completely forgot why you went in there? Or you're studying for something important and nothing is sticking? Yeah, me too. And honestly, it's not because we're getting dumb, it's because we're not training our brains the right way. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to sharpen your memory and laser focus your concentration. And no, I'm not talking about some $80 supplement stack or a nootropic smoothie. I'm talking about real, science-backed habits that literally rewire your brain. Let's get into it. First up, strategic games. Think chess, Sudoku, crosswords, even certain video games. When you play these, your brain isn't just having fun, it's building and strengthening neural connections. Every time you think 3 moves ahead in chess, you're basically doing a gym workout for your prefrontal cortex. That's the part of your brain responsible for problem solving and decision making. Use it or lose it, for real. Next, pick up a new skill, a new language, an instrument, maybe even coding. When you learn something totally unfamiliar, your brain has to form brand new pathways. It's uncomfortable at first, and that's exactly the point. That discomfort, that's growth happening in real time. Studies show bilingual people actually show slower cognitive decline as they age. Wild, right? Okay, I know. Meditation sounds like something your yoga aunt won't stop talking about. But stick with me here. Even just 10 minutes a day of mindfulness meditation has been shown to increase gray matter density in your hippocampus. That's literally your brain's memory center. It also lowers cortisol, which is the stress hormone that, when it's chronically high, straight up damages your memory. So yeah, breathe.
And this one might be the biggest one. Aerobic exercise. Running, cycling, swimming, even a solid 30-minute walk. When you get your heart rate up, your brain releases something called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of it like Miracle-gro for your neurons. It literally helps grow new brain cells and keeps existing ones healthy. People who exercise regularly consistently score higher on memory and focus tests. It's not a maybe, it's science. So here's the bottom line. Your brain is plastic. That means it can change, it can grow, and it responds to how you treat it. Play a game that challenges you. Learn something that scares you a little. Sit in silence for 10 minutes and move your body every single day. Do that consistently and you will notice a difference. Not in months, but in weeks. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and let me know in the comments. What are you doing to keep your brain sharp? I read every single one. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.